Hi friends, this is Tejas, co-founder director of IIPC India. Today I came across a very beautiful story which I thought I should share it with you. A movie theater announces that they are going to play a 10 minutes award winning movie before every show they are going to play in the theater. So the people got very excited and they reached the theater before time. So finally, the award winning movie started, and the people saw that there was a plain snapshot of a roof ceiling. A plain ceiling, the ceiling was not at all decorated, it was a simple ceiling. So, this was the snapshot for first 1 minute, 2 minutes. Later on, the people started wondering what exactly they are going to show in this movie. So, later on, they started whispering, they were very curious. After 4 minutes, 5 minutes, now the emotions started changing from curiosity to anger, and it was very obvious. Later on, after 9 minutes, they actually started thinking why this movie has been awarded as an award winning movie, a 10 minutes movie, and why these theater guys are trying to show this particular movie where there is nothing to show. And suddenly, the camera moved from the ceiling to the floor, and then the people saw a bedridden man, a complete bedridden man. He was completely handicapped due to a spinal cord injury. And later on, again the camera moved from the floor to the ceiling, and then suddenly these sentences appeared on the screen. We showed you only 9 minutes of this young man's daily activity from 24 hours of his life, and which he will probably watch for the rest of his life. And you complained and ran out of patience as you couldn't bear to watch it even for 9 minutes. So friends, right now if you are not confined to ceiling, consider yourself very lucky. And if you can manage 3 meals a day, and if you have your loved ones close to you, consider yourself completely blessed. Remember friends, right now you are only physically quarantined and not mentally. So think, plan and strategize, because when the things open up, okay, you know where to hit, how to hit, and how to make it big. Because no matter, irrespective of age and what stage of life you are, you can always rebuild. I'll give you some examples for same, because we have a person who lost all his money and wealth at the age of 57, and then KBC happened, and later on he gained the entire money, stardom and wisdom once again back. We have a person who had to shut down his hotel at the age of 65, and later on he franchised his chicken recipe, and today we have KFC. We have one more person who started his acting career at the age of 45, and today he has proved himself as the most promising actor in the Bollywood industry. So remember one thing, you can always rebuild, and happiness is always a choice. So be happy, stay safe and keep smiling. Thank you.